Hi guys, it's Angelina. I just decided to get it's not a dog. I got my hamster, but again, I got a kitty. I found her, she's just a baby. She's right there. And yes, I'm going to be sending this video on YouTube, so don't be jealous. Okay, go over there just real quick, Molly. I'm just filming a video. Okay? And this baby is like just adorable right now. She's sleeping. That's how she looks. Like, I just laid her like this, exactly like this, and she just like fell asleep like that. One of her joys is having a cat and a hamster and puppy poo. Just getting out of the puppy. Kitty. And her food's right there in the bowl. See it? I got this food from my friend. I just, if she doesn't want it, I dump it on the bed a little. Like I dump like that much, and then I put the rest back. So if she doesn't want that, I just wait. But if she doesn't want it, then yeah. Thanks for watching my video. So that's not my cat. Say goodbye, baby.